Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be exploring secret woods and nature center. Let's see what cool animals you'll find. Guys, do you see this hole over here? It is a home of a blue land crab. This is what it looks like. There are a lot of mushrooms in this park. Let's see if we can find some. Most white mushrooms are poisonous, so if you're hungry, don't try to eat them. Pond apples are common here. Don't they look like guavas? The white ibis is an omnivore, which means they eat plants and meat. It has a long bill that helps to extract food from the mud, and you thought it was only for looks. Guys, look, it's a corn snake, and look, it shed its skin. Rat snake, aka corn snake, is non-venomous, but when threatened, they rattle their tail to fool predators into believing they are venomous and dangerous. Gross, but don't worry, it's fake. Can you guess what it is? If you guessed it, it's animal poop. This is not dinosaur bones, these are manatee bones. The male fiddler crab has one claw way larger than the other. They also have gills just like fish, so they can live underwater. Aren't they funny looking? You think they'll lose balance having a larger claw, but you definitely don't want to get pinched by one of those. Can you spot the white ibis? This is a strangler fig tree. Look how awesome the roots are. Well, it looks like we hit a dead end. We're gonna have to come back here in another episode. So thanks for watching. Explore and respect nature, and if you like this video, hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.